What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go over the airbrushes that I use and what I use them for. I'm not doing a full review on them yet today, but I'm just going to go over what I have and what I use them for. I'm Rebel Spartan 66 and you're watching Rebel Spartan TV. Alright guys, we are back on my desk and I'm going to show you the 4 airbrushes that I use. So the first one up, we're going to do the Angelus Cross with Grex. This is a Genesis XGI 5AG, which just is the Angelus edition. It's a 0.05 millimeter nozzle, and it comes with a 7 millimeter top cup with lid. So that's the packaging of it. It's pretty nice. And what I like to use this one for, so I'm extremely OCD, and I like to have different airbrushes for different things. So this is the Angelus Grex, and it's pretty nice. But yeah, so I use this one for my acrylics. So I paint shoes and stuff as well. So this is my acrylic airbrush, and it does have the crown cap. And then it also has the magnetic flat cap, like for spraying flat. And it just magnets right onto the back of that. So this is what I use for airbrushing shoes. Obviously, if it's an Angelus brand, that's, you know, kind of what it was made for. Let's see. So next one up is my Iwata Neo, and so I got this one at Hobby Lobby for $64.99, and it is a let's see, and it comes with the N3 nozzle, N3 system, and basically you want a cheap airbrush. I mean, you don't have to. Like I said, I'm just OCD, so I have different airbrushes for different things, and it comes with 2 different size cups. This one has the removable cup on it. You can screw it off. And on. And the reason why I use the Neo is for my clear coats. So clear coats can be kind of hard to see. And all these are double action, by the way, if you guys didn't know. One double action means you press down for air, back for paint. So, but the Neo is used for clear coats, and the reason why is because clear coats are kind of hard to see, kind of hard to clean. So I just like to keep a separate brush just for my clear coats, and this is the N3, which is a 3.5 millimeter nozzle. That's the second one. Now let's do the third one. This is the Iwata Eclipse HPCS, and it comes with a 0.35 needle as well. And I use this one for spraying all of my lacquers and enamels. So this is my painting brush for gunpla. So this is what I use, the Iwata Eclipse HPCS. And yeah, I really love it. And see, I told you the double action again. So all these brushes have that double action. The reason why I use the previous one, the Neo, this one, for clear coats is because it's just cheap. It's cheap. It's a cheap airbrush. So if you let clear coats dry, it's not that it's hard to clean, but if you let them dry on there, you'll never see them, so it becomes harder to clean. But yeah, so I bought the bonus kit with this one, and it comes with an inline air filter, and it comes with a little testing sheet. So this is them testing it, and then it comes with a couple acrylic colors. I believe these are acrylic. Anyways, I believe these are acrylic, but I'm not positive. And then it comes with some airbrush cleaner, and then it comes with a grip moisture filter. So, yeah. But this is what I use for my painting of my gunplas, and you know, stuff like that. This is my painting brush. Like I said, I'm just OCD. And now for my favorite one, I'd use this one for everything. It is the Grex. This is the same thing as the Angelus, the exact same thing, the Genesis XGI. And yeah, it's this one's really great. It comes with a bunch of stuff. So let's see. This is a 0.5 as well. That's what the XGI 5 is. But this one comes green. This is the standard Grex. It is also double action, but it comes with 3 different size paint cups. And then it has that nozzle that we talked about before as well. It comes with the crown nozzle. Well, apparently somebody forgot to charge the camera battery last night. Anyways, sorry about that, guys. Where was I? Let's see. Oh yeah, so the XGI, it comes with a 15 milliliter cup with lid, a 7 milliliter, and a 2 milliliter. These are the other 2 sizes of the cups. So they're just so yeah. So they come with 3 sizes. It's double action, and what I like to use the Grex XGI for, or the XGI 5, is for my primers. So yeah, and I've actually have a demo primer spoons that I've done real quick. So these are some primered spoons that I've done with it. They came out really even for a beginner. But yeah, so I use this thing for all my primers, and it's the 0.5. So I use the Grex 0.5 for my primers. I use the Iwata Eclipse for my paints, enamels and lacquers. I use the Neo for the clear coats. And then I use the Angelus Grex for my acrylics for shoes. So yeah, so that's pretty much the breakdown of what I use these for, and all the different airbrushes that I have at this moment. I'll probably have a few more, but yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be it for my brushes video. I will do a review and like painting demonstrations of all of them eventually. But yeah, so let's get back to the desk, and I have kind of a big announcement for you guys. Alright guys, so that was my airbrush video of the airbrushes I use and which ones I use for what. And then I have a really big contest announcement, or a giveaway announcement I should say. So once I hit 50 subscribers, I will be giving away a $100 gift card to NewType. And it's not sponsored by NewType. I went and bought it with my own money. So I really appreciate that like and that subscribe button. So on the next video after this, I will have you guys comment on it. And that enters you into the drawing. And then I'll use a random comment picker. So the contest rules are you have to be subscribed, you have to like the video, and then you have to comment on it so I can pick you for the $100 NewType giveaway. Anyways guys, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below and tick that bell so you get notifications when my next video goes live. Thank you guys so much for watching. Rebel Spartan out.